Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. You might have heard these names, but you never really paid attention to what they mean or what they are. So in this video, we're going to be going over what cryptocurrencies are and how they work. So let's get right into the video. So on the very bottom level, cryptocurrency is a form of payment. So for example, you might have a bank where you make transactions from a daily basis. So whether that be at a grocery store or a gas station. But in cryptocurrencies, it's basically a digital currency. So what that means is that these currencies are not a physical currency, they're entirely digital. So for example, there's many currencies in the real world, such as dollars, euros, pounds, etc. And in the cryptocurrency world, there are also many cryptocurrencies, such as the top three being Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. So these are basically currencies that have different values between themselves. So Bitcoin might be at a different price, Ethereum might be at a different price. That's the pricing system of cryptocurrencies. So where are these transactions stored? These transactions are stored in a blockchain system which is completely decentralized. What that means is no one has complete control over these transactions. These transactions are verified through thousands and millions of computers around the world that verify the transaction. So for example, when you make a payment from a card, the bank verifies if you have enough money to send over to the receiver and then completes the transaction. But in cryptocurrencies, there is no central system that verifies these transactions. These transactions are verified through a blockchain of computers containing thousands and multiples of computers. So this transaction goes through each computer and verifies the transaction, and then it is sent to the receiver. So where are these stored? These cryptocurrencies are stored in a digital wallet. What does that mean? A digital wallet is basically a wallet online that holds all your cryptocurrencies. The most popular crypto wallets are Coinbase, MetaMask, and Ledger. There's also physical wallets that are basically this tiny and which stores all your cryptocurrencies. So how do you get access to these currencies? So to get access to these currencies or to buy them, you need a crypto exchange. So the most popular crypto exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood in the US. So how are so many people making money from crypto? How crypto trading actually works is you buy crypto at a lower price, that means lower demand, and people are selling crypto, and as the demand increases, the price or the value also increases, and you decide to sell it. And when you decide to sell it, there's currently a buyer that's willing to buy it from you at a higher price since it's more valuable. And the difference of where you bought it from originally, so let's say you bought it for $1,000 initially, and now it's at $1,100. That $100 is a profit you'll make when you sell the cryptocurrency. Now obviously this is done at a much bigger level. Tons of millions of dollars invested in crypto, meaning more and more money. The more you invest, the more the return. That doesn't mean you should invest all your money. You have to be careful when investing. You have to be mindful of trading strategies and the best time to buy or sell. And also I have a video, I'll link it on the top right, where I explain how you could get started trading crypto with $0. So you don't have to make an investment totally in the beginning. You could start with $0 and practice trading before you actually invest money, so you can get an idea of how it works and how much you can make. So do check out the video, I'll link it on the top left of the screen. Now since there are so many transactions going on in the crypto world, the crypto market is extremely volatile. That means there's a high range of movements every single day, every single week, every single month. So that's how the more movement you have, the more money you are able to make. So most people are doing day trading. That means they buy and sell within the same day. That's how they make money, doing day trading. And since this is extremely volatile, this includes a high risk. That means either you can make tons of money or lose tons of money. That's why this is a risky task. So you have to be mindful of how you go about doing this. So what I suggest is you practice trading before you actually get started, so you have a hold of how the crypto market works, and that's what I explained in the video. I'll link it also on the top left. So please check out the video where you will learn how to practice crypto. This is what I suggest before actually you start investing, so you can start trading and start learning before investing anything, so you have no chances of loss, so you can get an idea of proper strategies of trading and the best time or everything else before you actually invest your own money, so you don't have an actual loss of your own money. So please practice before you start. So that's it for this video, guys. This is the basics of cryptocurrency and how it works. If you like this video, please drop a like and drop a comment of which videos I should make and what videos you want to see from me, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.